Have you encountered a problem that you can't solve? Then this video is for you. The world is very competitive today. It is normal for anyone have to problems at any time. It is very important to properly manage any problems that come towards us, whether it is solvable or not. It will be a great help for our future journey. Our problems arise from the things around us. It could be a money related problem, relationship problem, workplace related problem, school related problem, or even a problem at home. Whatever the problem is, you need to be very patient. You need to clearly identify the factors that are causing this problem. Okay, let's start like this. Take a large piece of paper and a pen. Now sit down in a calm and comfortable place. Take a deep breath. Write down the date when the problem has started on the bottom of the paper, as best you can remember. And the today's date at the top of the paper. Okay. Now draw a ladder like what I have drawn. It could be also draw like this. This is a simple picture. Anyone can draw it. There are 10 steps include this ladder. Okay. Now you are here. Think about where the problem was first started. It could be at home, it could be at school, your workplace, or somewhere else. If you like, write them down on the side like this. Next, remind yourself who is involved in this problem. It could be your lover, mother, father, friends, teachers, or other persons. Now, let's climb one more step. You can write these words also in this simple picture like this. Okay, in here, think why this problem started. Think about whether it was your fault or someone else's fault. You have to identify the actual reason for the problem here. Okay, the next step, you have to think about the current situation of the problem. Here, the situation means that the state within yourself. Are you in good health now? Are you broken because of this problem? What are the ways to rebuild your self-confidence? Things like that. Well, the next step, we look at the situation around us. This means that how the problem has affected others. What is the impact of this problem on others right now? What are the losses? Had inanimate objects been damaged? We need to think about the things like that. Okay, let's move up another step. What you need to think about in this step is what you can do to resolve this problem. What are the solutions? In here, you can apologize for someone. You can pay for damages. If there was a mistake, then you can correct it. These are the things you have to think in this step. That is all the things you can do in yourself. Write down them if necessary. The next step is to see what others can do for you in this problem. What helps you can get from them here? Think about carefully. What are the things your parents, friends, family and others can do for you in this problem? Write down them. Okay, the next step is the most crucial one. You need to decide the solution to this problem according to the steps you climbed so far. This is where you need to think the most. Your decision should be combined with all the steps of this ladder. The last two steps could be the most helpful to take your decision. In this way, you have to take a clear solution for your problem. Next step. This step is also very important. Here you need to think about what will happen next. If you implement the best solution that you have decided in the previous step, here you need to think about what will happen next. If you implement the best solution that you have decided in the previous step. If you see a problem after implementing the best solution, you have to think about it again. You have to go back to the previous step and change the solution again and again. Well, now you have a solution. You have conquered the problem. All you have to do now is process your solution as you decided at the appointed time. Time will take care of the rest. So, there is an answer to every question in your life. There are no unsolvable problems in this world. You have to manage it like this type of clear order. Then it will not be even a problem furthermore. Be strong, think smart, you can win.